Okay, hurry up, come on, Gapang Beach snorkeling, spring, spring. Come on, just drop, no problem, only water.
Push.
Only water, push.
Push, push,
Push.
Allez hop, and push.
Yeah. You can jump, no problem.
It's low tide.
Oh.
Andy. Okay, ready?
Ready, jump.
To rumble.
Yeah. Diving style, huh?
Diving style, huh? You want to get a diver?
You, Thomas,
Okay. Bye bye.
the Cambodian man.
Cambodian style. Very salty.
Okay, enjoy your day, your time.
Okay.
Jump, jump. Lach niet. No.
Not yet, no? But it was not nice till now.
Fantastic, so good snorkeling and so many incredible fish, and I saw a moray. Yeah.
Thank you, Andy, for the nice day. Thank you very much.
We love. They don't get the idea of it. No, you have to say something now. You are on video.
You're on television now.
We love it.
Thank you very much.
You're not leaving, are you, Andy?
See you next time.
We love it.
See you next time when we
The best trip. Everybody should go here. Definitely.
Very good way to see the corals and to see the fish, and a good way to be together with other people and not just going on a motorbike.
And with a fantastic guide, Andy. Yes. The best.
Yeah. Ini udah aku rekam ya. Ini masih baju tu di. Ini sejak kenapa je foto orang beri tak boh ya. Nusuk aja deh. Foto untuk pegang nih kamera. Lampu uluk nga. Andi.
It's a bed cake.
Oh, nice. Didn't know about it.
Right in front of the restaurant. This is the
Just
gym.
from the-
Yeah. No, this is bad.
Bad.
There's millions of them. One, they going out one. They flying.
Bad.
You know, using a foam